Hi, in front of me is OnePlus Nord N100 and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll all the way down and choose System. Then Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and keyboard that you're using, in my case Gboard. Go into Theme and click on Show More to see all available options. Sorry, misclick. Then you can pick a color and apply it, or download one of the images and apply it as well. Now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!